how to fix Pluxee account login not working in 2026. So if you want to fix Pluxee account login not working in 2026, then first of all, we're going to close the application. If you can't log in still, we're going to go to the settings and change your Wi-Fi to mobile data. You can also go with the control center, which will be in the top, just drag down, and then you can switch from Wi-Fi to your mobile data or do the vice versa. Then you're going to try logging in. If that still doesn't work, then you need to find the application. After that, you need to tap and hold on to it, go with the app info section. Once you're here, you need to just simply go with storage and cache, and then go with clear cache, which will be on the right side. Or you can also delete your storage. Then once you do that, allow all the permissions that it asks, or just simply go with the permissions option right here, and then allow the permissions like the camera or the notifications or any other permissions that you have. Once you do that, you need to go back and then open the application again, and it will fix the Pluxee account login. So allow the notifications. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.